Welcome to Pixar. Pixar is a social media platform on the blockchain. Pixar pays people to hang out on Pixar. Pixar pays people to invite others to Pixar. Pixar pays creators for people viewing their content. Pixar pays people when their followers hang out on Pixar. We pay you in our Pixar token that we back $1 for $1 with the ads revenue generated off Pixar. You can exchange it for Bitcoin or USDT, spend the token online, or get one of our cards and swipe it like a debit card. We are letting creators on Pixar ahead of time to put up content and begin sharing Pixar with their following. We can't wait to watch what you Pixar. We have a rank system in place that helps the action takers make more on Pixar. You can rank advance quickly by sharing Pixar with others, creating content people like, and building a following on Pixar. As you rank advance, you can negotiate your profit share or unlock exposure boosts that put your content into 2 to 10 times the amount of newsfeeds as you do on Pixar or other platforms. Creators can gain even more exposure to their posts by making Pixar-first content. We will never ask you to stop creating your content everywhere you already do. But any content you post to Pixar for a week before it goes on the other platforms gets a serious exposure boost across all of Pixar. We are also giving early adopters extra exposure on all the content they create for being on Pixar from the beginning and helping us grow. Join Pixar today, put your content up, and tell your friends and following to follow you on Pixar. Click the link below this video to join Pixar now. Pixar that